True love loves the other, even knowing their flaws and imperfections. Passion blinds the infatuated, who sees no fault. True love loves the other, even knowing their flaws and imperfections. Passion is blind, unable to see the faults the other has. True love is more realistic and mature, while passion is illusory and temporary. True love opens up to acceptance and understanding, even seeing the partner's flaws and faults. In contrast, passion creates a distorted view of the other, ignoring or minimizing their flaws. However, when the effect of passion fades, what was once attraction can turn into repulsion, causing the once infatuated person to withdraw and reject the other. Therein lies a significant problem in engaging in romantic relationships when you or the other person is infatuated.